I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you play me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
It is the 5th of December and I haven't cried this month. And that's a good thing. Like, imagine 5 days of not crying. That's actually a lot. There's a bit of improvement there. Good morning, my babes. Hope you're doing well. Get ready. Get ready with me to go to a work function. I'm wearing this dress that I got from Mr. Price. I will definitely do an OOTD when I've arrived at work for you to see what I'm wearing. But I'm already done getting ready. I just need to fix my hair, put on jewelry, and then I'm not going to have breakfast. Yes, I have not been having breakfast in months. That's because I feel very nauseous after. But I'm like very confused because I just woke up and I feel very nauseous. I'm like, I haven't had anything to eat. So I think as soon as I get home, I need to down a castor oil, a bottle of castor oil. Yeah, that's what's going to work because that's I'm not going to stand. Also guys, I am meeting my friends very soon and we've got nothing to celebrate. So please subscribe and get me to 100 subscribers so we can have something very cutesy to celebrate. But yeah, I'm going to a work function today. And to be quite honest, I'd rather sleep. That's what I would rather do. I'd rather be in my bed all day and sleep. But I guess you have to. I mean, you have to. I went to my 10-year which they booked a place for you to be there. And then the next thing you're not showing up. Plus, it's still a working day. It's not like it's a Saturday or anything. But yeah, I look in this dress. I look like, I don't know. I look like the big sister I am. I look like the big sis I am. I really do. And I don't know how to feel about this dress. I mean, I really do like the dress. It looks good on me, obviously. But I feel like it doesn't go well with the function. It's not 100% like that. I feel like Landau, it would be great if maybe I'm going with family or friends and then with this dress. It would look good, but not with colleagues, to get me. But are you going to in that deep? Like, are you going to, especially in December, not in December at least. So let me, where is this? I'm going to ask someone to put this on me. I'm wearing this bracelet that I got from Shein with its necklace, obviously from Shein as well. I think I'm outgrowing silver jewelry. I think so. And I'm sure that some people will be very shocked because I used to die for silver jewelry. I'll also be wearing this watch that I got from Shein as well. It has batteries, but it's not moving. I think I need to, is it? No, it's not. I think I need to fix it or something. But it doesn't matter because I can't read this clock. So whenever someone asks for a pleasure, I just put my phone because I don't know what's going on here. It's just an accessory to me. And then I will be wearing this babe. This is Muse by Legit. And then this is I almost say this is also Muse. This is Floral Aura by Legit as well. They smell good. They smell really good. I'm not 100% sure about them going together, but but and they're just like fine. Oh my god. Also, I started putting perfume on my hair and it lasts the whole day. By the way, these two, they don't last. they last like a few hours. But now I start why if your laptop. Yo, yeah. Why ufuna a perfume that lasts the whole day? I feel like this one is a bit stronger. This one feels like a winter scent, and then this one feels like a summer scent. But this one alone is not where it's at. I'm not sure. I haven't used this one alone. Yeah, you can find them at Legit. Kusele for days, Sandra Sunday. Yo, kusele for days, kusele for days, kusele for days. Okay, guys, let me accessorize and then leave. It's so hot outside. I wish I could just Uber. Should I do that? But thing is, if I'm Ubering, that means I have to leave a bit later because obviously it's a 5-minute drive. So let me just walk and close my moving. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that you enjoy this vlog.
Verses. One is taken from Deuteronomy chapter 28 verses 12, and it reads thus: The Lord will open the heavens, the storehouse of his bounty, to send rain on your land in season, and to bless all the work of your hands. And then the next scripture that I would like us to also reflect upon, from Psalm 90 verses 17, and it reads thus: Let the favor of the Lord our God be upon us, and establish the work of our hands. Yes, establish the work of our hands. Colleagues, I think this is a good moment for us as we come together this morning to reflect on perhaps what we've done this year with what God has blessed us, but above all to also be grateful and ask Him that as we end the year and as we look forward to start the new year, He will indeed establish the work of our hands and bless us. And with those few words, let us bow our heads and pray.
Life
guys, we're at Mount Amanzi. I just had breakfast. I'm so full, Nkosi yami, I want to leave. My job here is done.
There are some few factors we then have to look at and say indeed we had a good year or a bad year. I extend a warm of greeting to lecturers and any other person that I might have left out. Maybe then give ourselves a round of applause.
Going to regret using my phone camera, but I need to make this update before my phone goes off. My phone is on 3%, and my cable, I left my cable at the office yesterday and I couldn't access the office today, so I'm using this thing to charge. This is the lightning what for my microphone, and this charger is for my headset. It's a set type charger for my headset. So this is what I've been using, and it's way too slow. So yeah, Nkatele time is around 3. Can't wait to go home and sleep, because now I see that in fact, and the fact that tomorrow in the morning I still have to go to work, that's criminal. That is criminal. You're robbing us now. What you're doing is called robbery. Dumelani Betuna, I am here to close off this vlog. I have been back for a few hours now, I think about 2 to 3 hours, and I was editing this vlog. It is kind of messy. It is all over the place, and it's also very short, of which I do not understand, because I captured my entire soul, like I recorded my entire life today. So I don't understand about what's going on. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a comment, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, bye.